Back then, everyone in the whole wide world spoke the same language. They could all understand each other. One day, people found a big, flat land called Shinar. It was a nice place, so they decided to stay and build their homes there. They got super busy making bricks. Lots and lots of bricks. They even baked them, so they'd be extra strong. Instead of using stones, they used their new bricks and sticky tar to build things. It was pretty smart. Then, someone had a really big idea. Let's build a city and a giant tower that reaches all the way to the sky and reach the heaven. They wanted to do something amazing together, something so big, no one would ever forget it. So they worked together. But while they were building their huge tower, God came down to look at what they were doing. God saw how everyone was working together and speaking the same language. They were doing so much. Then God said, let's mix up their language so they won't understand each other anymore. And whoosh, everything started to change. Suddenly, no one could understand what anyone else was saying. People got confused and frustrated. So, they stopped building the tower. It just sat there, unfinished, all quiet and still. That's why they called the place Babel, because that's where all the languages got all mixed up. And from there, people began to spread out to every part of the big, wide world with many different languages until today.